who it is! It's Mr. Postman! He's here!
Delivery!
I wonder who sent us something! I'm so excited!
One packet for the Paw Patrol. Here you go!
To the sweetest pups I know, happy Valentine's Day. I hope your day is filled with happiness, Katie. It's a new ABC's word. Wow. Aw, that's so sweet. How nice. Love. L. O. V. E. Love. Love is a strong feeling of happiness or care for a person or thing. You can show your love for people by giving hugs, being kind, and telling them how you feel. I love my Paw Patrol family. Love. Someone's calling! Farmer Al's sheep have gotten loose. Help Chase return them to the trailer.
I've spotted 4 sheep in this pasture. When you find one, tap on it and send it down to my trailer.
Rawr! Megaphone! Huh? That's not the way to farm. That's it, Sheepy. You're headed the right way. That's it. Huh? Just a bit further. We're almost to Farmer Al's. One down, 3 to go. Only 2 more left. Almost done. Yay! Nice work, Chase. Welcome back, pups. Who's ready for it? Let's do this. Ready, set, dance! Oh, the air outside. We've got. Help me get.
And before you know it, I'm driving in the parade and confetti is filling up my car's engine.
First, we'll clean the skid plate. Square! A square is a shape with 4 sides that are all the same size. It looks like a flat box.
Ooh, that's amazing! Excellent job!
Green means go.
Oh, it's perfect! Thank you, Rocky!
Happy to help. And anytime you have a leak, break, or scrape, just come see me and I'll get it into shape. Uh-oh. It looks like someone else needs my help. Hey there! Welcome to my ABC Dictionary. Let's learn some letters together. Chase is on the case. Crown. C. R. O. W. N. Crown. A crown is a kind of hat worn by kings or queens to show their importance. Crowns are usually decorated with silver, gold, and jewels. Possum! Hey dude, welcome to my beachside art gallery. Are you ready to make some possum Rex? Yellow, tan, pink, brown, black, tan. Amazing! Green, yellow, tan, brown, black. Green, yellow. Wow, my art gallery looks outstanding. Farmer Yumi can count.
Thanks for giving me a hand on the farm, Marshall. It's getting chilly, so we gotta get some of these sheep into their sweaters.
I'm fired up. All right, you chilly sheep, follow me. Here, little follow me.
Great job!
Time to warm up and get those sweaters on. Great job, Marshall.
Thanks. What's next?